It makes it funnier. It needs to be funny, because I'm a streamer.
Means more viewer.
More funny equals 13% more viewer. Yes.
Yes. We're gonna play
Yes.
my favorite game today.
What kind of game is that?
We're playing Contact Collection. It has votes.
Wait. Your all-time favorite game, Contact Collection, that has ship girls? And you can collect different ones, and you can go on sorties, and you can plan a fleet and have a cool adventure?
I didn't know what to say. I was just excited.
I'm excited too.